The most exciting way to find out which country has the fastest swimmers in the world is during the medley relays at the Olympics. The Olympics represent the pinnacle of competitive swimming, where the fastest swimmers from all around the world showcase their talent. Countries pour significant resources into developing elite athletes, employing top-tier coaching, state-of-the-art facilities, and rigorous training programs. This quest for Olympic glory is not just about national pride, but also about demonstrating the effectiveness of their sports development program. Success in swimming, like in many other sports, is a reflection of the strategic investments made by a country in nurturing talent from a young age. Money, talent, and population size play crucial roles in creating a pool of fast swimmers. Wealthier nations can afford better facilities, more experienced coaches, and advanced sports science support, giving their athletes a competitive edge. Countries with large populations have bigger talent pool to draw from, increasing the likelihood of discovering and developing world-class swimmers. However, it's not just about size and wealth. Effective talent identification and development programs can elevate smaller and less wealthy countries to the top of the podium. There are 111 medals in the sport of swimming. At the Tokyo 2021 Olympics, only 21 countries won at least one medal, and just 12 of them took home gold. The USA led the gold medal count, followed by Australia. But is this a fair comparison? Let's explore other ways to look at it. Let's look at it medals per capita for each country in 2021. Australia leads by far, followed by Hungary and Hong Kong. China ranks last among the medal winners. If we consider medals per GDP per capita, the ranking changes. Here, countries with lower GDP per capita but strong Olympic performance rise to the top. China leads, followed by the USA and Russia. Denmark is ranked last. Now let's look at the medals by height. Here are the countries that won at least one medal at the Tokyo Olympics, sorted by average height from shortest to tallest, along with their total medal count. These numbers are interesting, but medals per height, GDP per capita, or population aren't the most exciting ways to determine which country has the fastest swimmers. The final medal table is cool, but nothing beats the excitement of the medley relays. This is where the best swimmers on each stroke come together to battle it out in the pool. The most thrilling men's medley relay was in the short course in 2022. The USA started strong with Ryan Murphy on backstroke. Italy and Australia were close behind. It all came down to the last 100 meters. In freestyle, Alessandro Miresi took an early lead, and it seemed right there that Italy would win. But Kyle Chalmers and Karen Smith made an incredible comeback, touching the wall simultaneously and setting a joint world record. That's crazy. In the last Olympics, Great Britain and the USA exchanged leads. Caleb Dressel swam the fastest butterfly split in history, giving Apple the chance to finish the relay leading all the way. This year, on paper, France is ranked third, the USA is ranked second, and China is the favorite. However, the USA swimmers usually perform better in relays than individual events. On the women's side, the USA and Australia had an epic battle, with Australia winning by a touch. However, at last year's World Championships, the USA looked dominant, winning by a body length. This year, they're still looking strong and are the favorites to win. Who do you think will win the medley relays? If you want to know how to swim faster, I recommend watching this video next. See you there. Swim fast.